Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And Smudge is right here, y'all. I don't know if he'll get up or not, but this is another TEMU haul, and they sent me some fabulous things to show you. I've got to tell y'all, first of all, TEMU, it's so surprising. You go on that website and you can find absolutely everything, anything you could ever want. Anything that you want as a woman, anything that a man wants, anything that a child wants, gifts and organizational and cosmetics and fashion and purses and shoes and crafting galore and stickers. And I mean, I can't even think of everything because there's just so much. I do want to start off the video by showing you this. This is a t-shirt that I got, and I'll tell you a little bit about it. Let me stand up a little bit so you can see it. Okay, it says meow, and it's super cute. And this is how it fits me, so you can see. And then I'll tell you about the sizing a little bit. Okay, it's cute. I thought it would be really cute for Mask Mondays because she's got on a headband. Let me get closer, sorry. And this t-shirt is $8.98. And I looked, this is my second video of the current haul that I have. The first video, I have a different blouse on that I chose based on the graph that they gave of the sizing. I chose 3X for that. This one I chose 4X. So I don't wear a 4X, I wear a 1X or a 2X normally. But you can see this was, loose. I like things a little bit looser, especially in a t-shirt. A 3X probably would have fit me just fine. And this particular meow top comes with different backgrounds, different colored backgrounds. So, this is just the one I got. I can't remember what this color was called. It looks brown to me. But they had several to choose from, and they have so many graphic t-shirts and nice clothing. And not just t-shirts is what I mean. This is very nice. I don't mean it that way. I mean dressier clothing. They have lingerie. They have all kinds of under things. They have pajamas, and I mean just countless. It's incredible what is available on this website. And I have a code, and I don't remember if I said it in my last video. But let me see. I wrote it down because it is SEE2845. I'll have it in the title. I'll have it in the description. If this is your first time shopping on TEMU, you'll get a 30% off with that code. And you also get to have any code that shows up on the website or on the app. There's all kinds of things going on that app. Sometimes when you go in there, I think every time you go in, there's a wheel that you spin and they'll give you percentage off, and you get that above and beyond that 30% if it's your first time. So dirt cheap. They're having this big spring sale. Lots of things are up to 90% off. Most of their items are under $5. A good portion of their items are under $10. I'm going to show you some different pricing items. I have a couple of items that are over $10, but even those items are not expensive at all. So you can also pay with AfterPay and Klarna, those kinds of things you can pay with. So if you have to do a big shopping and spend a lot of money, you can make payments on them, the no interest kind of a thing. So let's get started. I did get a bowl like this for the boys. I have 2 cats, if you're new to my channel, and I got them a bowl. This one, most everything that I asked of my wonderful rep, Doris, I would tell her the colors. This one I forgot to tell her a color, and she sent me pink. So I don't know if the boys don't care. I already have one that's in an aqua color, and this is a feeding bowl. You can put water in here. You can put cat food. And what's nice about this is it's raised. So they say that people always feed cats and dogs on the floor, and it's hard on their necks, especially as they get older. So higher is easier on their necks. Now the other bowl I've had down since I got it from my first haul, and they are not, it's taking some getting used to, but I'm going to put both of these down, and I still feed them in the regular bowls, but They're having a little problem getting used to it, but I think they will eventually. And then they're plastic, so they're super easy to wash, super easy to take care of. This is $2.78. And sometimes it's cheaper. You just, have to keep, if there's something you really love and you think if you wait a few minutes, it might go on sale. Quite frankly, it's very, very quick. Okay, I have some lovely things to show you. I have this beautiful teapot. I did leave this, I unwrapped it, but I left this wrapped because I want you to see how well they wrap everything up. This is white porcelain, and then this is like, I just love it. It just, all right, there it is wrapped. We'll take that off. And then inside here, there's your, see, it's white porcelain, so it'll hold boiling water just fine. And it closes like that, and you'll pour it when your tea is steeped. You can use this for other things. It's just adorable. It's a single serve style, so it's great. It's a lot of fun for the kids to make hot chocolate or something in as well, and they just would love to have their own little pot. And then this is a mesh type sieve. I don't know if you can see the holes in there, but they're very fine. So I like loose tea. I will use loose tea a lot. So you open that up and it stays open. You'll put this in with your tea leaves, okay? And then pour your boiling water in. And then when it's steeped, you don't have to do anything. You just, pour it into your cup and drink your tea. And then when you're ready, when it cools off, you take this out and you empty your leaves out of here, and it's clean and it's cleaner inside. There's no leaves floating around. So isn't that precious? I just thought that was so cute. This came in many colors. A lot of their products come in different colors, and they just have a wide variety of things to choose from. So this I just thought was a really cute thing to have. If you have a couple little girls at home, you can get them each a different color. And this was $13.98, and I just love this for myself because I love to make hot tea, and it's just perfect. I adore it. And then I also got this because this, again, we're talking about Mary, but we're also talking about, I like a lot of things that little girls like. I like to have a tea party. I like to have tea parties. I love going for tea, afternoon tea. And I got this adorable thing. Let me show you what this is, okay? This is a nice mug, a nice big size mug. And this particular one, they have different ones. They're also in this mug, there were 3 different styles. This is, you can see, there's cats on there. It is ceramic, a nice ceramic. It has a nice handle. And then it has this. This is the lid. You can use this several ways. It's a lid to keep your drink hot. And then when you go to drink your drink, you can use it as a coaster. Isn't that adorable? What little girl wouldn't like that? Maybe some little boys would like that too. I don't know if they like cats. They may have others. I just saw the cat, so I fell in love. I love this. And this is an orange cat. And they had it in black and white, I think, or gray and white. I forget the colors, but there were 3, I believe. But I just really love it. And isn't that precious? And then you use it as your coaster as well. Love it, love it, love it. And then since we're on the subject of tea, oh, did I tell you the price of that? This is $11.68 for this, okay? And again, when you go in, you might find different prices and you'll get your discounts too. There's always discounts. No matter what it costs, you can get discounts. And then this type of thing, I have several of these. I love these. They're something that I really love. This is a filter for your tea. This you can have at the table, and you can use it for different things besides tea. But what you do, I'll use the cat mug to show you. What you do is you put this is a wide mug. Normally your mugs aren't this wide, but you'll put this over your mug, whoops, and you'll put your tea leaves in there. Okay, and then you pour your hot water over the basket, and then you take this off of your cup and set it into this nice bowl, and then it drips in there, okay? And then your tea leaves are in there, and it's very pretty. They serve these, they have these a lot at restaurants for loose tea, and then also this kind of a thing. I just love it. I just love it. I feel like I'm taking care of myself with these fun little things. really reasonable things that make you just feel more elegant, more classy, prettier. Enjoy, don't just go eat on the couch. Sit down and make yourself a place setting and take care of yourself and be kind to yourself. And this filter is $3.09. And then I have this. These were interesting. This is a sink holder. Let me show you what it is. I ordered one, but it said 1 piece / 3 pieces, 88 cents. So this was 88 cents for all 3 pieces, y'all. 88 cents. Hey, if you're following my treasure trove giveaway, I know if you're new here, you don't know what that is, but you can always ask me about it. This will go into the treasure trove giveaway. Just call it a sink holder, okay? And then I'll show you, I'm gonna put one of them in, and it's what I call a bonus for the treasure trove giveaway, which is a monthly giveaway. Okay, so how this works, it's silicone, so it's not going to break, it's not gonna melt from hot water or anything. It is, you take this part here and you put this around your faucet. So it has different holes to measure, to fit whether your faucet is bigger around or smaller around. You can adjust it, see how that is. And then it hangs off the faucet into the side of your sink. So you can put your sponge in there or your scrubby and things like that. And it just holds it, it lets it air out and it lets it drain out. So isn't that 88 cents? And I got 3 for that price. So I can't believe it. So this is that's what I mean. Everything on the TEMU site, it's endless. And you can just go treasure hunting all day long. And I have one more thing to show you, and it's just a cute little thing. I have a little coin purse in my car. So when I get change, I throw it in here. Then I always have change to give back out if I need it. And the little coin purse that I have, that I've had for a while, I got it from a YouTube channel friend, and it has worn out. And so I got this just because it's adorable, and there's cat faces all over it. And it's just the fake leather, and it has a nice metal closing, the old-fashioned coin purse. And it's just a nice little well in there, and I'll put my coins in there. And then there's a place in my console that this will sit perfectly. So I got that. This was 99 cents. So if it breaks, you can tell by the material it's gonna last a while. If this ends up breaking or something, it's 99 cents. So what a fun place to shop, y'all. Fun. It's like you keep going down rabbit holes. All the things to see. The most adorable t-shirt, meow. And you'll see me in this on some Mass Mondays. And I think I'm gonna go make myself some tea with my little teapot and put it in my adorable cat mug and keep it hot while I'm getting ready. And then I will drink my tea. So y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing this really fun haul from TEMU. And I have more coming, so look for those. This is my 4th haul altogether. And with this batch, I have 4 in this batch. So I have 2 from a couple of weeks back. And then I have number 3 was just recently, and this is number 4, and I have 2 more to go. And I may have more because I have so much in that box. I was gonna make 4 videos, but I may end up having to make 5 videos because I have so much stuff. So thanks for stopping by. And here's Smudge. Maybe he'll say hello to you. You want to say hello, Smudge? You want to say hey? You look that way? Y'all, count your blessings and thanks for coming by. Good to see you. There's my Smudge. Okay. Bye-bye, y'all.